Discover the shocking fact: 98% of Americans lack sufficient potassium due to processed foods. Join us to explore potassium's vital role, understand deficiency signs, and learn how to restore healthy levels. Low potassium has significant effects. 1. Constipation. Impairs intestinal contractions, causing discomfort and constipation. 2. Muscle issues, stiffness, aches, and severe conditions like rhabdomyolysis. 3. Tingling hands and feet. Nerve signaling disruption results in tingling sensations. 4. Heart palpitations. Disrupts heart rhythm, leading to palpitations and arrhythmia. 5. Frequent urination. Triggers excessive urination, causing polyuria and increased thirst. Potassium sources. Find potassium in fruits, veggies, legumes, meat, fish, yogurt, nuts, coffee, milk, and tea. Daily intake. Aim for 3,000 milligrams men or 2,320 milligrams women of potassium. Boosting levels. Eat squash, spinach, broccoli, apples, orange juice, and more for higher potassium. Potassium deficiency is a significant concern with serious health impacts. Identifying its signs and embracing a potassium-rich diet can safeguard your well-being and avert complications. If you've noticed any symptoms, boost your potassium-rich food consumption for better overall health. In summary, prioritizing potassium is crucial for our health. Identifying and addressing deficiency symptoms empowers better choices. Remember, a balanced diet and medical checkups are key. Stay nourished, stay healthy. Thanks for watching,